Halfman bromide degradation reaction. Primary amide RCONH2 react with bromine and potassium hydroxide solution. Then primary amine RNH2 is formed. 2K and 2Br combined to form 2KBr. K2 react with CO3 to form potassium carbonate K2CO3, and water molecules, here number of oxygen 3, here number of oxygen 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 oxygen extra here. So 2 water molecules formed. Once again I am telling you, Halfman bromide degradation reaction. Beta G, when primary amide RCONH2 react with bromine and potassium hydroxide solution, then primary amine RNH2 is formed. This reaction is called Halfman bromide degradation reaction. Dear student, carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. Here we can take carbyl means chloroform. Amine means amine, primary amine. When chloroform react with primary amine and potassium hydroxide solution, then RNC, alkyl isocyanide, foul smell or bad smell or offensive smell compound, alkyl isocyanide is formed. This reaction is called carbyl amine reaction. Once again listen to me dear student. When chloroform, carbyl का मतलब दिमाग में आप रखो chloroform. When chloroform react with primary amine and potassium hydroxide solution, then alkyl isocyanide is formed. This reaction is called carbyl amine reaction. Dear student, now I am telling you difference between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. To differentiate between primary, secondary, tertiary amine, you have to prepare Hinsberg reagent test. First question, what is Hinsberg reagent? Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Hinsberg reagent. Look here. When primary amine react with benzene, this is benzene. This is benzene ring. Primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Formula of primary amine is, we can take here C2H5NH2. Okay, C2H5NH2. Now H and Cl combine to give HCl, and you have to note it. Benzene ring. After this SO2, and after this NHC2H5. NHC2H5. This is N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, which react with NaOH to form soluble, which is soluble in alkali. Once again, benzene sulfonyl chloride react with primary amine, then H and Cl combine to form HCl, and note it. Benzene ring SO2, benzene ring SO2, and after this NHC2H5. NHC2H5. Name of this compound is N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, which is soluble in alkali. Next, beta ji, this is the test for primary amine. You can do this test in lab. After this, benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. We can also write SO2Cl. Benzene sulfonyl chloride react with secondary amine C2H5 whole twice, and we can write H here. H and Cl combine to give HCl. And after this benzene ring SO2, benzene ring SO2. After this, NC2H5, NC2H5 whole twice, and NaOH. Then it is insoluble. So dear student, we can say benzene sulfonyl chloride react with secondary amine HNCl combined to give HCl and N, N diethyl. N, N diethyl benzene sulfonamide is formed, which is insoluble in alkali. Now tertiary amine does not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride or Hinsberg reagent. Okay,